When I tell y'all, there is not even a human being in sight. Okay, here comes a car, But the streets are just giving desolate. Just giving people do not live here. Where are the people? Hey guys, hey, it's your girl keishabetraveling and welcome back to my vlog. If you watched last week's episode and you guessed Merida, you were correct. This week, I'm exploring La Ciudad de Merida. Merida is known as one of the safest cities in Mexico, so why didn't I feel safe there? Okay guys, so it's day number 1 and I'm in Merida. So this is located in the state of Yucatan in Mexico. So this is about 4 hours by bus away from Playa del Carmen. Okay, so I made it to my Airbnb. This is the outdoor space. There's a cute little table right here. Super nice and colorful. It's a super cute pool, hot tub, whatever this is. We have a nice little sink over here, so I absolutely love it. It's stunning. All right, this is the kitchen. Over here is the living room. This is the bathroom. It's absolutely stunning. I just love anything modern. That's my thing. It's gorgeous. Okay, and then in here is the bedroom. So today I'm gonna go down to explore the city center. I signed up for a walk-in tour and I'm doing it in Spanish because, you know, my goal here is to really improve my Spanish while I'm here. It's 8 in the morning and it's so quiet here. It's like dead quiet. I can finally hear this bus coming, but it's been quiet. The streets are just so desolate. Approaching the city center and I'm starting to see people, I'm starting to see cars, it's starting to feel like a city. I'm like, okay, this is what I was looking for. So we're close. Durante de la universidad, yo fui a Madrid por un año a estudiar, pero hace 14 años.
No, por eso
pero, sí, pero estoy viviendo aquí en México por un año y estoy practicando más, pero vivo en Quintana Roo, donde toda la gente habla inglés.
Sí, sí, no, es que allá es súper
sí. This is the door of pardon. When you pass here, your sins are forgiven. I think I found Black Jesus. It reminds me so much of Antigua, Guatemala. It looks so similar because it's another colonial town. So it's insane. I'm like, I feel like once you get to one of these places, you feel like you've been to all of them. Yeah, so today was like really interesting for me because like walking down to Centro, I was like coming out the local area and I didn't expect it to be so local. I thought I was a little bit more central. So I'm staying at 2 different Airbnbs. So the first one, it's a really beautiful Airbnb, but it's a little bit further down. So for me, I was just like, oh my God, what did I sign up for? I wanted to be in real Mexico, but I'm like, this might be too real for me. In that, like, I was the only tourist for a long time. You know, I didn't see anybody else that looked for it for quite a while. You know, but yeah, so this morning I was like getting used to it. On the way back, I didn't feel as weird about it because it was just like, okay, normal at that point. But going this morning, I was just like, what did I sign up for? How do I get out of this? But once I got into Centro, I did see a few more tourists. Not a lot. I guess coming from a place like Playa del Carmen where it's like everybody in the foreigner, to here it's like you are the foreigner. It was interesting to say the least. So I'm gonna go take a class at the gym later and kind of see what it looks like a little bit after dark. But yeah, I'm really in Mexico Real. We're late, after 6, and I'm walking to my gym class. Oh my God, guys, but look at the sunset. I don't know if you can see it. That is just incredible. Absolutely stunning. Anyways, I'm on my way to this black-owned studio. So they do things like yoga, dance classes, bar, boot camp. So I'm excited to check it out. Starts at 6:30. I am going down a way I've never been yet, so I'm gonna see what is down here. But I was really scared about coming to Merida because the heat here is like intense, you know, so it goes up to like 103. Earlier it was 103. Right now it's about 96. But in all honesty, it's not as bad as I anticipated. I was expecting it to be so much worse. In the evening, it doesn't feel as bad. It's dry. Unlike Playa, I would be like dying if it was 96, you know, but it doesn't feel terrible. Come on, I can't get over there. Okay, por fin estoy aquí. Hello.
La dueña,
sí.
ella es la dueña.
JJ.
JJ.
Okay.
Tenemos los lunes Beats and Bootcamp, un mes ilimitado.
Ok, entonces puedo venir cada día con esto.
Exactamente, tú puedes
Okay.
venir con ese todos los días durante un mes.
Voy a pensarlo, porque
Claro.
quiero venir cada día. Pero solamente voy a estar aquí por 2 semanas.
Ah, ok, 2 semanas.
Pero no sé si sería mejor.
Sí. Sí. Que hablas muy bien tu español.
Gracias. It's a new day and I'm about to head out. Today I'm gonna do one of those hop on, hop off bus tours because I still haven't figured out the city quite yet. So I've been wanting to do this. This is about 1.5 hours. You get on top, you're gonna drive around the city. So I'm gonna do the northern route today to kind of see and learn this area. So I'm about to go meet the bus and I'll take y'all with me. All right, so this is Paseo 60. This is like a fancy little plaza. You could get the bus. This is where all the touristy stuff starts. So I made it to the station and I'm waiting for the bus now. So let's see, I'm 5 minutes early right now. So let's see if it's gonna come on time, but I'm excited. Here a couple of days ago, but I wanted to come back because I want a better picture at the center, and they gave me 15 minutes on this bus to come back, so I'm gonna come get my picture. Hola, Diaz. Already found a friend and I've been in here for 5 seconds, but yeah, I have 15 minutes to get back to the bus, and I'm gonna take this opportunity to get a better photo because I didn't like the photo I took the other day. Yo, when I tell you people and their privilege, I'm literally trying to take my video and these people refuse to get out of my photo. Like, I've been here. Okay, gracias. Okay, and now it's time to get back on my tour bus. So, vamos. Right, I made it back to the bus. So I'm glad I got off and got my picture because I took a picture the other day there, but I didn't like it. So we're gonna see how this one came out, but continuing on. Just finished the tour and I'm about to head back home. It was a really good way to see everything and get some cool videos. But yeah, I actually loved it. I would recommend it. I would do it again. But that was cool. I'm about to go home and do some work. I have a lot of work to do. I'll be forgetting that I have a job and I'm not a full-time tourist. So I'm gonna go home and do a little bit of work and I'll catch up with y'all later. So guys, I made some friends. Say hi. So if you're liking my content, be sure to like, subscribe, drop me some comment, give me some love, y'all. It takes a while to make these videos and I want to know what y'all are enjoying.